IFM News. Police Report.
Idol John, dito pa nga detalye. Go na!
Nakaupunan na ti Ilocos Norte Police Provincial Office sa ti Agdagop Tangaribo o Patagosoto Pulukitine mabilang. Nagiti na duma-duma nga armas sa manipo dito sa amin ang police station sa dito'y probinsya. Itigat babae na ti agtultuloy pananggupigot ti provincial headquarters kadagiti sa amin ang sagikwa ti armas. Sumurot kadagiti programa ken alagaden kas kumaiti election gun ban nang nangro na kadeti umay nga election tapon maliklikan iti posible apan nakausarda kadagiti krimen. Sigun na kini Police Major Cheryl Guzman, si officer in charge City Police Community Affairs and Development Unit. Pangapulukat upat dito'y get captured. Ito pulukat 5, dagiti voluntarily surrendered 1,337, dagiti deposited 1,338 ket may bilang small firearms ken 30 ket 8 met dagiti may bilang light weapon. Inline na asa nga pulo ditoy ket agga po kadagiti elected officials asaan nga paidatig 30 ket maysa kadagiti komandidato 20 ket maysa manipod kadagiti supporters sa 10 ket 5 med itinayangkat wenno manipod iti law enforcement ken siya mapulokit inem manipod iti general public. Impakaamo pa ni Police Provincial Director Police Colonel Frederick Obar, kadagiti may bilang med na ebidensya, may nadagiti na usariti krimen, ket maiya patulod iti Regional Civil Security Unit, iti Firearms and Explosive Office, idinto adagiti na ipakustudyar para iti safekeeping ket agtali na admit iti provincial headquarters.
INCPO presented a total of 1,426 firearms as of March 17, 2025. 14 captured, 75 surrendered, and 1,337 deposited. Of these, 1,388 were small firearms and 38 were light weapons. This significant accomplishment is a part of INCPO's initiative tending to a secure, accurate, and fair election in Ilocos Norte, complementing with the strict enforcement of the gun ban under COMELEC Resolution number 11067. In addition to this accomplishment, on voluntary firearm surrenders, other operations have been conducted, including the implementation of search warrants, checkpoint operations, and the Oplan Bakal. Out of 14 operations, this resulted in the confiscation of 12 firearms and the arrest of 13 individuals facing for violation of COMELEC gun ban. Also, for the period of Oplan Field Day 2025, October 1, 2024 to March 15, 2025, a total of 31 firearms voluntarily deposited for safekeeping by the electoral candidates. 10 firearms from elected government officials not running for any position. 21 firearms from leaders, supporters, and teams, and 15 firearms from law enforcement agents. This INCPO effort reflects firm commitment in preventing any form of election-related violence and continued implementation of gun ban in close coordination with the Commission on Elections and other frontline government agencies to safeguard the integrity of the upcoming 2025 electoral process.
Ti panagasarita ni Police Major Cheryl Guzman at the Officer in Charge City Police Community Affairs and Development Agency.
Alright, I heard something, Idol Joan, ada digiti elected official nga nangisuko ngem saan da nga agpaidasig kasay.
When I do.
Oh, it's clearly anaganan nga saan nga dito agtaray tata saan da nangisuko iti paltog da nga dito ket unlicensed to kas pagarigan.
Dati talupulo ket maysa nga komandidato Joe Bernardi nagpa-safekeeping net
31.
31 when.
Okay. So ala i-ready beta. I think that iti may sakadigiti sagsagana da iti RMN News tata. Idol Joan, you know what to do. Okay. Good job. Go ahead.
Sa Magiti, Ilocos Norte Police Provincial Office, Kaduha 99.5 Basin Dawag, Idol John 15, Tatak.